guys, what's up? It's WarSpirit, and today I'm going to be walking you through the installation for the Nexus mod for Crysis 2. This is the release date for the Nexus mod. You can find a download link in the description of this video, and also check out the CryDev project page for little videos and stuff. You've probably seen the videos on my channel anyway, but here we go. So basically the download link, you've got two options. You can either download the installer, which is a smaller file, and it's really easy. You just run the installer and it installs the mod for you. Or if you're one of those guys who likes doing things manually, you can download the manual installation, which is just as easy. It's a copy and paste job. So once you've chosen what you would like to do, we've got the installer here. So basically you just need 7-zip or 1-zip or something. 7-zip, you just want to extract it anywhere, extract files, extract them here on your desktop like what I have. So extract here, and that'll extract the zip file, and there you have the installer folder. We're going to open the installer folder, and you're going to get this. Now in here we're going to have the readme file, which I should have brought down here. Okay, welcome to the Crysis 2 Nexus multiplayer mod. This is a multiplayer mod that creates faster paced gameplay for Crysis 2 whilst adding a bunch of new features and bug fixes. I'm really excited for you guys to get a hold of this mod. I'm pretty happy with it. It's really good. It runs smooth, everything's perfect, there's no bugs that we've found yet. But yeah, in this readme file you can see everything. Detailed install, installer package, follow the on-screen instructions to install the mod. It's that simple. Manual install, you've got all the different locations here. There's your Steam location for Crysis 2. These are some things you might need to find. Your Crysis 2 folder location, origin, other, which is basically me buying it on CD and stuff. Buying it from a retail store. Main features of the mod, you've got the server admins. Server admins also have another separate readme in the mod folder as well. If server admins need help setting up a server, you can contact me. And we've got the credits down here at the bottom. I'd just like to say thanks very much to the guys who helped me work on this project and who did so much stuff for this project. Those guys are awesome. Dr. Milsey, Stancor made all the awesome skins for the mod. He's an absolute beast. And thanks to the guys who helped test as well. So that's the readme file. Onwards with the installation, you're just going to basically run this Nexus mod setup down here. Run it as an administrator. It's going to pop up and it's going to launch the installer. And here's the installer created by Merlikataminka. He's an absolute beast. I sat and watched him make this with all the programming code and scripting stuff that he does. And this is the installer, so click next. And it says, where should Crysis 2 Nexus multiplayer mod be installed? It's basically you just select your Crysis 2 root folder, and basically the installer should have already selected your Crysis 2 folder. It would find it automatically. If it hasn't found your Crysis 2 folder, just select your Crysis 2 folder, something similar to that maybe, or Steam or Origin, and click next. And it says Crysis 2 already exists, so yes, you just want to install it to that folder. You've got additional things here if you want to create a start menu folder for the mod, and also a desktop icon for the mod to launch it directly. And then click next and it'll begin extracting the mod to your PC, and there you go guys, a couple of button clicks and that's you. And it's really pretty simple to install the mod, no problems at all. We'll just let this go through here. This is me installing the mod on my PC right now. Actually the installer package comes with an uninstaller as well, so you just double click on the uninstaller and it removes the mod entirely from your PC. It's actually really as simple as just deleting the folder called Crysis mod from your computer. That is it, uninstalled pretty much. And we're almost there. Once this is done, I'll show you the little desktop icon. Okay, done. So we can finish this, or we can launch the game directly, and this will launch the mod immediately. Down here we can see the Crysis 2 Nexus multiplayer mod shortcut was created. If we go to the properties of that, here's what you need for the shortcut. It's basically a shortcut to your game, but with this here added at the end, mod Crysis mod. That's for any mod to launch it directly. Now, there's a problem obviously with Steam, because when you launch Steam games, it launches it via Steam, so it will search for your Crysis 2 game and stuff and it would launch that. But it's no problem, because if we just go to launch game, let's go, Alright guys, so here, this should be the first screen that you see once you launch the mod. That is using the mod shortcut. For Steam users, you might see just the default thing, but I'm going to show you how to launch the mod anyway. So this is the Nexus multiplayer mod for Crysis 2. If you're just launching your game normally or launching via Steam, maybe Origin as well, because I've not tested these myself, but if you just go into your mods folder here, like that's it there, mods, underneath extras, above options, mods, you can see your mod. You've got the readme for the mod, multiplayer mod, blah 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 blah, and you can, well, it says unload for me because I've already got the mod running, but you can load it as well, and this will just restart your game with the mod, and you'll see this screen. And we go into Nexus multiplayer. And we can find a Nexus server just by searching Nexus and switching all your filters off. Okay, well, that's about that. So, right, now, we've also got the stuff in here for server admins. Server admins can take a look at that. We've got the 2 different game modes for the mod: default, which is default maps, and wars for the new maps that are included with Crysis Wars style gameplay. So 2 example level rotations there, and also a shortcut similar to the shortcut which launches your server with the mod. For manual installation, we just see this folder here. We can just go to 7-zip and unzip it, extract it anywhere, and if we just go into it, we can see this here. It's just the exact same, except we've just got the Nexus mod folder. It is a bigger download, obviously, it's not as compact. You just copy this Nexus mod folder and place it into your Crysis 2 folder, which I'll need to find. Program files, Electronic Arts, Crytek, Crysis 2, mods. There you go, you just place it in there, copy, paste, and this is it here, CryNexus mod. Do not change anything that is inside this folder. If you touch anything in here, like rename this or like edit the file or do anything, then your mod will not work and you won't be able to join any server and you'll need to reinstall. This is the uninstaller here. Double click on that, removes it entirely from your PC. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you guys playing the Nexus mod with me today. Cool. See you guys later.